Hey guys, so I totally forgot to say hey in the video, so here is me saying hey. So today's video is going to be me showing you how I curl my hair. And I just showered and I like to apply a heat protectant, so I use the Chi Iron Guard is what I think it's called. I could be totally wrong, but it's from Chi and I got it at Walmart a while ago. I don't know if they still carry Chi or not. And then I just like to work it into my hair. Next, I like to add some Moroccan oil to my hair, and I also got that at Walmart. I can't remember the brand's name. It's I'll have everything linked in the bottom bar, but Moroccan oil is really great for your hair. It also helps with like shine and getting tangles out whenever you brush your hair. So I'm just working that into my hair as well, and it smells so good. It's my favorite scent ever. If they had it in a perfume, I would wear it every day. So now I'm just going to brush out my hair, and rewatching the video, it looks like it hurts, but it does not hurt whenever I brush my hair. I have a lot of hair and it's very thick and gets tangly very easily, so I'm kind of vicious with the brush. Now it is time to blow dry our hair. I usually don't blow dry my hair. I always kind of just let it air dry, but if I am in a rush, I definitely will blow dry my hair. I was struggling in that moment right there, so I usually don't blow dry my hair in here as well. I usually do it in the bathroom. So it was very difficult in here because the cord's not that long, but that's okay. And boom, like magic, my hair is all dry. Now we're going to start with curling it, and I first like to put up most of my hair, just leaving some hair down on the bottom. I work in kind of big sections. I part my hair into 3 different sections. You will see later. That is the first section, and you always should brush it out. But right now I'm securing my bun. But you definitely want to brush it out because you don't want any tangles in your hair when you're trying to curl it. So there I'm showing you how thick of a piece of hair that I do. I kind of go thick, it just all depends really. I like thicker curls than thinner, and I have a lot of hair, so it would take a lot of time to do thin curls. I do leave it on for about 10 seconds. I don't have the best curler, so it takes a little minute to curl it. There is another section. So now I'm done with the bottom section, and then I'm splitting it into my second section. And I always like to take a Zulu clip and just pin my curls back on the side I am about to be working on. Now I'm just letting my hair down and pinning up the third section that we're not going to worry about right now. And now we're gonna brush it out. Always, always do that. I just think it's easier to have softer, not tangled hair than to have very tangly hair. It just doesn't make sense to me. And when I'm curling my hair, I don't really have a rhyme or reason. I kind of just curl it. I don't worry about if it's facing my, like if the curl is like facing my face or if it's turned away from it. I don't really worry about that. I kind of just curl it. And it probably takes me about 15 minutes to curl all of my hair. And here I am dancing because I'm listening to music. And now, boom, like magic again, with the power of editing, my hair is all done. And I like to lightly brush through my hair once I am finished curling it. I like to do that because before you brush it, it kind of looks piecey, and when you brush it, it kind of just blends it all together. It does give it some extra volume, but your hair will settle down and not be so voluminous at the bottom if you don't like that. There I am being goofy. It's so bouncy. I love curly hair. And you can either add like a texturizer, dry shampoo, whatever you want to add. I chose not to this day, but you can do that just to give it some extra texture. But I hope everyone liked this video.